Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Instagram and going straight to your profile, tap the menu, then Settings. Once there, go to Privacy and Location to see active controls. You do this now because app and system permissions both affect sharing. If the system grants location, Instagram can use it. Make sure to note whether your device shows location access as always, while using, or never, because that determines the next steps you'll take in the app settings. Once in location settings, you turn off any toggles for add location or use location in stories and posts. This prevents future posts from auto-tagging where you are. Next, review saved locations and delete entries so Instagram won't suggest them. Also check drafts and scheduled posts and remove location tags manually. This step matters because Instagram can attach places even if you forget. Proactively clearing save. Now switch to your device settings. Find Instagram in the app list and set location permission to never or while using, depending on your preference. Choosing never fully blocks access. Once done, return to Instagram and confirm in-app locations are off by attempting a private test post. No location option should appear. If Instagram still shows locations, clear the app cache, sign out and back in, or reinstall the app. These steps resolve lingering permission caches or sync issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.